So guys, now we are going to detect a institution using a snort. So what is a snort? Snort is an open source institution detection system and institution prevention system, IDs and IPS, uh, that is widely used and detect and prevent a malicious network activity. It analyzes a network traffic in real time using a predefined rules to identify suspicious patterns or attacks. Uh, Now, we would like to get started that one. First of all, we would like to open the terminal. So I would like to install in the event tool. So first I just type here as clear. So first you just type here as sudo apt get update. So first you just type here as update this one. So once this is updated is done. Now later you just type here as upgrade. After upgrade, then later we would like to look here. So you need to keep your systems is up to date every time. So just type clear. Now I already installed sudo apt install snort. So oh, sorry, snort. So where I have already installed the snort. Just type clear. So let me again show you here. So I already installed the snort. So once you have already installed the snort, now we would like to type here as clear. Now you just type here as config. So this is my target. IP address is 192.168.18.a72. Then in same case, in my targeted IP address is 192.168.18.a68. Now we would like to look here where you have already installed this snorting. Now we would like to look here as sudo uh, get it. So I would like to use this get it as to read in one file etc snort. Then you just type here as snort dot config. So you can look here in the snort.config. There is it was installed. Set the network variables, configure the decoder, configure the base detection engine, configure a dynamic loadable libraries, configure a preprocessors, configure output plugins, customize your rules set. So you can customize your rule set and customize a preprocessor and decoder rule set, customize a shared object tools. So everything we are going to see in here. Now also we would like to look here, so you don't need to worry about this. So where which we was described all these things. So dynamic library rules. So in this step, customize your shared project rules. So where which was result here everything about the rules. So if you want to look any type of rules here, I would like to go to our first this one, step one, where so you can observe everything here, all the rules. So in this let's etc rules. So where you have rules here, just copy. Now I just quit this here. So I have suspended that one. Now if you want to look here as ls minus a, we would like to paste this all rules. So where you have got a bulk and plenty of rules, netbios rules, mysql rules, dos rules, xyz rules. You can set up your own rules for exploits and exploit rules or xyz things. All you can set up here. Now I would like to look here as a FTP rules. So now I would like to utilize this as FTP rules. Now just type here as, and let me just copy. I just copy this one I just type clear. Now I would like to come back. So I just paste this. Now let me I just type here as sudo get it. Now you can study all the FTP rules. Like you can see here FTP fixations, everything. Like ID with FTP rules, that version is protocol for verifications, alert for TCPs, alert for TCP for external net any, or alert for TCPs or XYZ things. Here you can observe everything. Now, now I would like to start here as come back here. Let me just close this. Now let me just type clear. Now just type here as uh, sudo snort minus t minus c for as etc snort, then snort dot config, then minus I. So you just need to know about your interface. So you just type here as I config. So ENS160. So you just need to cross check one more time. Then don't need to make here as mistakes. So you just need to set up your interface EN160. Then you just type enter. No, there was uh, it's not unable to open the config etc. So I think we have made a mistake. Mm, So now just type here as clear. Now just type here as sudo su. Now just type here as is not. So I would like to go with as not minus minus help. So where I have seen here is nothing. Now no need to worry, you just type here as clear. Now let you just type here as sudo. I would like to type here as snort minus t minus c. Now let you just specify etc snort, just type as snort dot config minus I en160. Now which I was successfully done this. So you just need to give a root privilege access, then only you can get it done. Is something else from here, so it will not execute in the main system. So where it was uh, ignoring old rules, so which was done all these things, so which was set up this successfully. Now where we have done this, so I just type here as I would like to type here as a clear. Now you just type here as sudo snort. uh, I would like to put so better sudo snort minus a for a console minus q minus u uh, snort minus c. So I would like to present as same etc snort snort dot oh sorry snort snort dot config, that you specify minus I is ENS160. So this is ENS160. That's it. Now just paste it here. Error for quitting. So we have made again a mistake. So let me I just type here as clear. Just type here as sudo. Uh, just type here as snort minus a for a console minus q minus u is not. Once this is done, now I would like to specify here as minus g, then I just put here as snort minus c is etc snort, then you just type here as snort dot config. Now I just specify minus ins 160, that's it. So that now it was listening. So whoever attacked this my targeted event machine, I get to know each and everything. Now let me, I would like to go back to my Kali Linux machine. Now let me, I just type here as clear. Now I just type here as, so first of all, I would like to present for you here my ipconfig is 192.168.80.68. This is my targeted IP address. So just type here as su, enter password, then I just type here as nmap 1 T4 minus A is an aggressive scan and enter your targeted IP address 192.168.18.72. So this is my event to target machine. So let's see here, this is 72. Then let's come back here, just paste it here. Now let's wait for here. Uh, once you get nmap result, then you can see here in this session. So you can look here, a SNMP agent X, a TCP request, a classification attempt of information with a TCP with a port which is available over there and get. So I can catch the victim immediately. Okay, this is my victim trying to attack or steal the data. Easy way to catch. Every banking system, operating system, there is available for intrusion detection system. And where is this classification attempts for information leak priority with a 2 at TCP, which I was get it here. Now again, which I was get it here, xmas scan for an nmap for xmas scan, classification attempt for information leak with a priority. So xmas scan, mymon scan, every information we can get it here. So which we was done here. Now let me I just type here as in the terminal. Let me I try to ping this target IP address 192.168.18.872. So I got a replay and TTL live. It's 4 send 4 maximum 4. So where I have got a request and I have received here everything. Now we just switch back here. I not yet get a response here from here, so that's okay. If not yet a response, let me I just type here as I just type here as little bit big. Now you just go for SSH. I would like to log in with an SSH and I would like to try to enter here 72. You just type yes, enter your password. I just enter. Now let me I just look. So I not get anything else apart from here. That's it. So where the attacker can get it here, you can get automatically. That's it. So this is how you can perform the snorting and protect your organizations. So this means whenever the attacker attempts to connect or communicate with the machine, so Snort immediately triggers an alarm. This will make you aware of instruction and can thus a certain security measures and discount the lines and communication with an attacker machines also. That's it.